Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. The next one, question 9. This is V0, this is 2V0, this is P0, 2P0, A and P. And we need the maximum temperature of the gas during the process. So nRT is equal to PV. Obviously, N is a constant, which means T is equal to PV by NR. So for T to be maximum, PV by NR needs to be maximum. But NR is a constant, which means PV needs to be maximum. So from this, we can write using some coordinate geometry the equation for this line, write P as a function of V, then differentiate it so that then get PV as a function of V, differentiate it to make it maximum, and we'll get the value of T for that. So let's do that. The equation for this line will be y minus y1. I just take this point. So y minus 2p0 is equal to the slope times x minus x1, which will be y will be p. So p minus 2p0 is equal to the slope times v minus v0 for this point, and the slope will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2p0 minus p0, that is p0, divided by v0 minus 2v0, so minus p0 by v0. This is the equation. Now we need to get p as a function of v. So this gives me pv0 minus 2 p0 v0 is equal to minus p0 v plus p0 v0, which gives me P is equal to 3P0 V0 plus P0 V by V0, or 3P0 plus P0 V by V0. So this is P, which means what is PV? That is equal to 3P0 V plus P0 V square by V0. And you can just differentiate it, d of PV. Now we all have it in terms of one variable V because everything else is a constant, and that will be 0. So that will be 3P0 plus P0 V by V0. I think making a mistake somewhere. V cannot turn out to be negative. P minus 2P0. Okay, yes, minus 2P0. P0 gives me 3P0 V0, but this is minus P0 V. This is where I made a mistake. My apologies. So this is minus. This is also minus, which means this is minus. It's good that this told us V is negative, so we caught our mistake. So this is minus. And from this, we can get V is equal to 3V0 by 2. And you can put this in the original equation to get P, or directly here, which will give me P is equal to 3P0 V0 minus P0 V, or minus 3P0 V0 by 2 by V0, which gives me this is 3P0 V0 by 2, so 3P0 by 2. So V is 3V0 by 2, P is 3P0 by 2. We can see that it's actually the midpoint where you have the maximum value of temperature or maximum value of PV, which will obviously be, temperature will be PV by NR. So that is 9 by 4 P0 V0 by NR, which gives me the answer as option 1. This completes the solutions. Thank you.